Hello students, welcome to topperseducation.com. In this video, we are going to discuss quantitative aptitude problems in number systems. In this, let us see some of the problems to solve easily and very fastly. Let us see, here is the first one, that is, here is the first one, simplify the given addition. We should do this addition very fastly. That is given 8888 plus 888 plus 88 plus 8. Here we should write them. Here we have 8 4, that is 8 4s are 32. Here is 3 and here again 8 3s are 24 plus 3 27 and again 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18 and again 8 plus 1 is 9. This is the speed addition, that is 9872 is the answer for the given addition. And here is the another question, that is what value will replace the question mark in each of the following questions. Here we have some additions and subtractions. For this they have given question mark and we should find that what will be there in that question mark. That is given first one question mark minus 1936248 equals to 16 35 773. Here in the place of question mark we should write x, that is x minus 1936 248 equals to 16 35 773. So here we should find x value. So 16 35 773 plus 1936 248. We should find this addition. That is we will get 3572021 and this is the x value. And second one is also similar, that is 9587 minus x we have 7429 minus 4358. Here in place of x we should took this, that is 9587 minus 7429 plus 4358, that equals to x. Here we have negative x, so we should do that positive. In order to do that positive, we should take these values to the LHS and this value to be into RHS side. And now we should do this problem, that is we will get x equals to 6516 and this is the x value. And now let us see the another question. Here the next question is simplify 5793405 into 9999. This example we have already seen in previous video. That is, now we can simplify it by very easy process. 5793405 into this 9999 can be written as 10,000 minus 1 and now it is in the form of a into b minus c. Now it can be written as a into b minus a into c. Now 5793405 minus 5793405 and when we subtract this we will get 5792825695 and this is the simplification of multiplication. And now let us see another model, that is evaluate 986 into 137 plus 986 into 863. It is in the form of A into B plus A into C. Now it can be written as, here 986 is common, so we should take it as common. 986 into 137 plus 863, that equals to, here the sum of 137 plus 863 is nothing but 986 into 1000, that equals to 986,000, and this is the answer. Let us see the similar example, that is 983 into 207 minus 983 into 107, that equals to, here similarly 983 is common, and when it taken common, that is we will get 207 minus 107. Then we will get 983 into 100, that equals to 98,300 we will get. And these are the simple and easy processes to make the math problems very easily and fastly. And now let us see another model, that is multiplication of 1605 into 1605. That is, here it is in the form of A into A, that is it can be written as 1605 whole square. And now these 1605 can be written as 1600 plus 5 whole square. Here the given any problem should be made easily and fastly by using some tricks. Here it is in the form of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square is nothing but A square plus B square plus 2AB. By using that formula we can solve this. Here we already know that 1600 whole square. We know that 16 whole square is nothing but 256. And 4 zeros. 5 square is nothing but 25. And 2 5s are 10 into 1600. That is 16,000. Now we should add this and we will get 2576025. And when we add this, we will get this answer. And now let us see the another model. And this is the another model, that is evaluate 475 into 475 plus 125 into 125. It is in the form of A square plus B square. We know that the formula of A square plus B square is nothing but 1 by 2 into A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square. It is the formula for A square plus B square. Now we can substitute here, that is 1 by 2 into 475 plus 125 whole square plus 475 minus 125 whole square. It is A plus B whole square and A minus B whole square. Now we should solve this. Here 475 plus 125 is nothing but 600, and 475 minus 125 is nothing but 350. And now here 600 whole square and 350 whole square. And we will get this one from this. Here 1 by 2 into 600 whole square plus 350 whole square. And now 600 whole square is nothing but 3,60,000, and 350 whole square is nothing but 1225, 2 zeros, and from this when we do this solution we will get 4,82,500, and when we cancel this, we will get 2,41,250, and this is the solution for this model. And let us see the another model. Here this is the another model, that is simplify 387 into 387 plus 113 into 113 plus 2 into 387 into 113. It is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab is nothing but a plus b whole square. This is the formula, and now it can be written as 387 plus 113 whole square. Here 387 plus 113 is nothing but 500, and 500 whole square equals to 5 square is nothing but 25, and here we have 2 zeros, we should keep here 4 zeros, that is 2,50,000, and this is the another model. And now the next model is here find 4a square plus b square plus c square plus 4ab minus 2bc minus 4ac, and it is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc and minus 2ca, and the formula for this is, we should keep here square root for the given number, that is square root of 4a square plus b square plus c square plus 4ab minus 2bc minus 4ac. Here we should find the square root for the given number, that is, now it can be written as here 4a square can be written as 2a whole square, and again here b square can be written as b whole square, and it is in the form of, here we have minuses, so we should keep minus c whole square and 2 into 2a into b minus plus 2 into b into minus c plus 2 into 2a into minus c, and it is having square root, and it is in the form of a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus 2 into bc plus 2 into ca, and the formula for this is a plus b plus c whole square. Here square root of a is nothing but 2a plus b is nothing but b plus c is nothing but minus c is here whole square, and here this square and root get cancelled, and 2a plus b minus c, and this is the value for given square root. And this is the another model. Now let us see the another model, that is simplify 893 plus 786 whole square minus 893 minus 786 whole square by 893 into 786, and the given question is in the form of a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square divided by a into b, and we know that a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square divided by ab is nothing but 4ab by ab. Here we have already a into b, and the formula for this is 4ab by ab. Here these two get cancelled, and we get the answer is 4, and this is the one of the another model. And now let us see another model, that is here given one of the number, that is 241, And now we should check whether the given number is a prime number or not. Here we have 241 and clearly we know that here 16 square is greater than 241 and 16 square is nothing but 256 is greater than square root of 241. As we already seen the logic behind how to check the given number is a prime or not in the previous introduction. And now let us take the prime numbers below 16, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. These are the prime numbers below 16, and here the given number, that is 241, will not be divisible by any of the given these numbers. So here 241 is a prime number, and this is the way how to check whether the given number is a prime number or not. And this is the another model. These are some of the models in number systems to solve the problems very easily and fastly. In the next video, we will discuss some of the problems on divisibility rules. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.